It's great to be back home. I basically covered 4,500 kilometers from Delhi to Mumbai, and I covered around 6 states in between. So to start with, first of all, I'd like to thank God for being there with me throughout the journey. There were places where I actually did mistakes, and just because of God's grace, I was lucky enough to survive all of them and make home safe. So I won't take much of your time here. All the details of the route that I took are there in the videos, the video footage and everything. So I have noted down a few things. I just want to share them with you guys. And yes, guys, don't go on solo long trips. There's so many things that that can actually go wrong with you. So I have shared all those things in the videos. I just want to make sure I share a few more things face to face on this video. So guys, yeah, the most important thing, do not go on solo long trips. Do not go. Second important thing is, like, today most of the guys wear helmet. It's almost compulsory, but most of the people, what they forget is put on buckle. In the video footage you'll see a place where from my route to from Mumbai to Pune, there's a place where a lot of people are gathered. I have specifically mentioned that place in the video. So what actually happened there, there was a biker and there was a pilot. So they were driving to Pune, and there was a mad bull that came out of nowhere and hit them. The biker was although wearing a helmet, but he did not put on the buckle. The helmet flew off, and unfortunately he fell down. He was bleeding real bad. I do have blood stains, his blood stains on my knee pads. We called the ambulance and we loaded him into the ambulance. Most probably the guy he'll be safe. So yeah, that was one thing. Do put on the buckles. Then second thing, do wear a body armor. I mean, these days in summer it might be very you may feel too hot, but it's for your own safety, guys. Just put on little extra bit. It's for your own good. Then always keep an eye on rear view mirrors. Even if you make a slightest maneuver on highways, just make sure you just give a slight eye to the rear view mirror and then make a maneuver. There might be instances when you're lucky enough, but even one vehicle, if the vehicle even touches you, you're done, man. You're done at high speed. And there are always trucks behind you. Things can get really bad. Just keep an eye on rear view mirrors. Then again, if you're driving at fast speed, I drove KTM 390, RC390, it goes really smooth at 160s and 170s. I even touched 172. 172 was my top speed, and whenever I had clear routes, I touched around 140, 150. It was pretty fine with me, but not at nights. I'm the guy with glasses, I have glare issues. So at nights I drove at 90, 100 k's maximum. Yeah, so at high speeds, guys, winds are an issue. Like, once you go on long routes, you'll realize the wind blowing, it actually makes you lose control of your bike. So make sure you control your bike properly when you're at high speeds, especially when you're overtaking a truck. There's a pressure difference which causes your bike to go on the other side. So make sure you're making control at that time. Then the next thing is always drive in the center of the road, because in India most of the accidents with bikers happen because of animals coming out of nowhere on the highway. So make sure you're driving at the center, and even if an animal approaches or crosses the road, you have enough time to brake, and basically you have enough time to see the animal. Then while cornering, this is the most important thing. Most of the guys love cornering, even I do. That's why I wore these knee pads. So during the cornering, just make sure you anticipate the road, anticipate the undulations on the road. If there are undulations, make sure you do not make a steep lean corner. Make sure you're able to corner smoothly. And don't brake while leaning. unless and until you are an expert. Do not brake while you're leaning. Just make sure you have your speed controlled before the turn, and once you lean, make sure you do not brake, unless and until, of course, you're an expert biker. So some tips for night driving, especially for guys who wear glasses and unfortunately who do not have any anti-glare. So yeah, always wear glasses which have anti-glare, because you know all the vehicles which are coming from opposite lane, they'll block your view. They'll block your view of the road. You will not be able to see what's moving ahead of you. So make sure, even if you're facing this, make sure you're driving slow, or just follow another vehicle's light, maybe the lights of another vehicle which is going ahead of you. Again, it's very important at night, do keep an eye on rear view mirrors. And if you're traveling solo, what you can do at nights is you can actually make a travel buddy. How? Let a car overtake you. Let's say it's traveling at your same speed, make a minimum braking distance, and you can just keep following that vehicle. So that extra headlight you actually get two headlights. One is your headlight, and after 30-40 meters, which is your minimum braking distance, you get another headlight. So you have complete view of the road, and plus follow that guy and you'll not get bored during the route. So, and yes, one more thing, if you're traveling to the south, I mean guys, stay hydrated, drink lots of water. If you actually get dehydrated, you'll start seeing things, it will start blurring, you'll feel dizzy, you'll feel nauseous. So it's very important, and you'll sweat like crazy. I mean, I had to wear a mask just to avoid my glasses getting wet. So make sure you guys stay hydrated. And yeah, one last thing, do watch for breakers in MP, Madhya Pradesh. I mean, even if you're traveling on a national highway or a state highway, in MP you'll definitely find a breaker. You're just traveling at 140, 150 k's, and suddenly a breaker comes. I mean, 3-4 breakers, consecutive 3-4 breakers, and they'll come after every 4 or 5 kilometers suddenly. I mean, I guess this is too stupid. And yeah, Pune traffic sucks, really sucks. Every second person breaks signals. So make sure you just wait, and once you see the line is clear, then we'll make a move. So I guess that's all I had to say. I had a wonderful ride with my KTM RC390. Actually not mine, I rented it from wheelstreet.in. I really appreciate their efforts. Somehow I luckily completed 4,500 kilometers in 9 days. It was actually one of the best experiences in my life, and probably I might never do this thing again. But yeah, I have one trip planned in June to Ladakh, and then if I'm physically fit enough, I'll make a trip from Delhi to Bangalore to Hyderabad. Yeah, that will be good. That will be really good. So this is all. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.
फूलों के मेले बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दिल को है क्यों ये बेताबी, किससे मुलाकात होनी है, जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी हैं, खुशियों की बगियां भी हैं, रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। जिधर भी इन राहों में रंग पिघलते हैं निगाहों में, ठंडी हवा है ठंडी छाँव है, दूर वो जाने किसका गाँव है। बादल ये कैसा छाया, दिल ये कहाँ ले आया, सपना ये क्या दिखलाया है मुझको।
हर सपना सच लगे जो प्रेम अगन जले, जो राह तू चले अपने मन की, हर पल किसी से मोती ही तू चुने, जो तू सदा सुने अपने मन की।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। मन अपने को कुछ ऐसे हल्का पाए, जैसे कंधों पे रखा बोझ हट जाए, जैसे भोला सा बचपन फिर से आए, जैसे बरसों में कोई गंगा नहाए। गया है ये मन, खुल सा गया हर बंधन, जीवन अब लगता है पावन मुझको।
जीवन में प्रीत है, होठों पे गीत है, बस ये ही जीत है, सुन ले राही। तू जिस दिशा भी जा, तू प्यार ही लुटा, तू दीप ही जला, सुन ले राही।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कौन ये मुझको पुकारे। नदियाँ पहाड़ झील और झरने, जंगल और वादी, इनमें है किसके इशारे। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दुम दुम दाना रत दुम दाना दुम दुम दाना रत दुम दाना दुम दुम दाना रत दुम दाना भैया।
सनी सा गा 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 मा 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 रे रे रे
सनी सा सा सनी सा सा
सनी सा गा गा सा मा मा सा पा
सनी सा सा सनी सा सा
यूं ही चला तो
सनी सा सा सनी सा सा।
कितनी हसीन ये दुनिया।
to the sound of silent cigars. We're cutting like knives in a fist fight. And I found you with a bottle of wine, your head in the curtains, and heart like the 4th of July. You swore and said we are not shining stars. This I know, I never said we are. Though I've never been through hell like that, I've closed enough windows to know you can never look back. If you're lost and alone, or you're sinking like a stone, carry on. May your past be the sound of your feet upon the ground. Carry on. Carry on, carry on. So I met up with some friends at the edge of the night, at a bar of 75. And we talked and talked about how our parents will die, all our neighbors and why. But I'd like to think I can cheat
can